There is no play in this, you saw it right. The only legitimate investment that you have come across this year. It is high time to seize hold of such an opportunity because opportunities like this are super rare to find. Now let me tell you straight away why I'm saying this. You know, other platforms that I have reviewed on this channel, they oftentimes do not have a face behind them. They just come up like that, promise us their services and how we can benefit from them if we invest. And at the end of the day, over a period of time, they collapse. However, Aiteo Energy's here is completely different in the sense that they have given us a founder and the CEO. Yes, somebody we know. He goes by the name Mr. Benedict Peters. He's the founder and CEO of the platform. Yes, and the platform is situated here in Nigeria. Alright friends? Good. Now, the superb part of it all is that the platform has been existing since the year 2000. Practically 23 years, 8 months now. How trustworthy such is. And the surprising thing is, after I carried my research, I found that this is true. Alright? Now, the next thing that makes this platform further beautiful is that they have a structure. Everything is based off on a structure. If you don't have a structure, there's nothing you tell me to join your business. But Aiteo Energies here have a structure, as you can see, from the founder down to the sales personnel. You see, well arranged. Now, another thing that makes this platform a lot interesting is what they have in stock. Look at the screen here now. We have the platform website. We have the most interesting part, the revenue, $15 million. And now they're giving us the general masses such an opportunity. This is wonderful. Trust me, I have not seen something like this in a very long time. So are we going to seize hold of it or not? Well, let the review tell us whether we are or not. Now, the platform Aiteo Energy here, as you can see on your screen, is supposedly or purportedly the Nigerian's energy powerhouse, located in Lagos State, Nigeria. It is currently developing a pipeline of power generation projects across the country, and it is integrated with capabilities in the upstream, midstream and downstream sectors. There is a lot to mention about Aiteo Energies, just a lot. It has a future, it has an aim, well-arranged platform. And trust me, this is the kind of platform we want to invest into, not something that is just flying around. Alright, as you can see, this is my screen, live screencast. There is no play about this whole thing. There's no forming of information. Alright, now let me tell you about the investment part of this platform. Shifting to the part that benefits each and every one of us here is this. A link has been posted in the description box below for easy access to the platform. When you come there, simply sign up using your mobile number, your email, pick a username, and they are going to send you a verification code right on your screen. There you see it. They are not sending it to your email or your inbox. Once you just fill this information, click on receive verification code and you see it on your screen. Alright, put that verification code and then you click on sign up. Your account is set. Then you log in. When you log in, this is what you find on your dashboard: your monthly, your daily, and they will have activities. So let's talk about each and every one of them. For the monthly, we have wind power energy, then we have thermal power energy, and then we have water power energy. Then we have the solar power energy. Just those. Each of these power energies have categories and different investment prices attached to them. The wind power, for the smallest package, you have 3,500 naira investment package attached. That will fetch you 1,575 naira. So at the end of 30 days, you should be having 47,000 naira, 47,250 naira withdrawn to your bank account. The second package here on the wind power is the 18,000 naira package. If you invest in this one, you'll be earning 8,460 naira every single day for 30 days. If you do your maths, that will give you 253,800 naira. We have the thermal package here in two categories. We have the water power package here in two categories, and that's it. Moving on to the next package, the daily package. On the daily package here, we have the electricity energy contract. You invest 3,500 naira you earn 1,700 naira for 3 days, as you can see right on your screen. That will give you 5,250 naira after the 3 days, straight to your bank account. There's no delay about it. As you can see, these are the different investment packages associated with the daily. Moving on to the next, we have activities. Activities here have the Aiteo Energy oil. If you invest here, you have 6,600 naira with a daily income of 3,960 naira. It is going to last for 12 days, giving you a total revenue of 47,000 naira, 47,520 naira actually. So you see, it goes all the way down to the Aiteo gas, and then that's how we have it on the platform. So you see, trust me friends, there are lots we can benefit from Aiteo Energies. Are we seizing hold of this opportunity or not? Well, that is the big question. I've told you everything you need to know about the platform, but there is something you need to know, and this is the truth. If you go out to your website now, your Google browser, and then you check, you won't see this information. In fact, even on here on YouTube, you won't see an information well arranged as this here on YouTube. Therefore, it's important you pay close attention to this part. This is it now. The Aiteo Energy that I reviewed is the original platform. Alright, the Aiteo Energy here is the actual platform. However, if you notice, when there is a shift talking about where you can get to earn, where Aiteo Energy benefit each and every one of us, and that is when I shifted into talking about the fake platform or the clone platform. Why am I calling it this fake platform? Because if we check our back end again, if you check back to the deposit information we have, inclusively the Aiteo Energy that gives you money, the one that promises you returns for investing in them, is having a lot of flags, in the sense that you are earning massively. The returns are extremely too high for a very short period of time. A case study is the daily package. You invest and they are paying you largely for 3 days. Trust me, where is the money going to come from when they are not affiliated with the original platform? Alright, think about it. Secondly, on the platform, you see that there is no information. I've put the 2 links in the description box below. Take your time, sort this information. You will see there is no information about who owns the platform or where the platform is located. Should I call it company? Nothing of such. So you see, it is just basically a, should I say, a scam Ponzi, a Ponzi scam hiding under the frame of a legitimate and well-recognized platform. This happened a lot. This happens a lot. Take for example Barrick Gold. Barrick Gold is a very recent one and a very significant one. A lot of persons actually got injured by Barrick Gold. Alright? And those that got affected by large amounts. Therefore friends, conclusively, although Aiteo Energy here have seen proofs that they have paid, although the proofs are not rampant yet, but it is simply a scam project. Therefore friends, my simple advice for you is, do not join this platform. Wait for a better opportunity. I have something cooking, and if I am able to prepare it ready, I'll dish it out on this channel for you guys. Trust me, that will fetch you money. So I want you guys to stay tuned, watch the channel grow, and as you watch the channel grow, trust me, perhaps towards the 2nd quarter of this year, you will have a trustworthy and legitimate investment to invest into. Zero Scribe loves you all. Continue watching.